Kathy, how many photos roughly can you add into one of the moving parts minis? Well, shall we count, huh? Let's check one out. I'm just going to grab the numerals one here right on top. Let's see. Workspace. So this one, the fabulous Lorianne won in the giveaway. All right, so we've got 1. You all know I'm a big fan of the small photos. So on the cover, it's a combination of 4x6 and small. The big ones go on the inside because this is the 8x8. If you do the 11x11, then all 4x6s and above. So numerals, this one is style 5. All right, style 5. This is not the 2025 set. All right, this is the sets, the 12 that I did in 2024. All right, but we're doing 8x8s. Like this size, and the paper collections will be a calendar year. All right, inspired by things that happen in the calendar for the year. Okay, holidays and things like that. All right, so we've got 1 pocket, right? 2, 3, 4. This opens up here. Oh, let's put some in here. This is where the 4x6s go. You can, I would say 4, no more than 4 here, all right? So 4, if you do front and back, that's 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Whoopsie, put this here. 8. Oh, that goes here. 9, a little photo in there. 10, photo on the back. Let's do this side. 11. 12, photo goes here. 13. I counted this one, right? Yep, 13. 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. But if you do 2 smaller ones, that would be 19. But we're going to call it 18. All right? 18. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. That's pretty amazing. I can't even take 36 photos for a month. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43, 44, and I didn't count the two at the top pocket. I didn't do that. 44, 45, 46. 46. Look at that. 46, guys. In this one alone, and mostly 4x6s. If you do smaller photos, if you're into the collaging of smaller photos, you can fit so double that. Are you blown away? Or are you blown away? Because I certainly am blown away. On a project like this, you want to replace the white with the photo. All right? So if you're giving this as a gift, you want to tack the photo mats down so that they can remove the white and add the photo. All right? Look at crickets in the chat because they are blown away, Crafty L, how many pictures you can get in this teeny tiny package. Isn't that fabulous? I love this one, guys. Love this one. They're all so beautiful, the set for 2024. I hope these are 50% off, guys, if you didn't get the 2024 set. There's style 1 through 12.